This guy. Come here, come here, come here. Long range, come here on the flag. Long range, come here on the flag. Long range, come here on the flag. You
They
snipe them.
coming A2.
Yeah, yeah,
They
yeah.
coming
Snipe
A2.
them, snipe them, snipe them, snipe them. Nice. Don't use flash wave. Don't use flash wave. Don't use flash wave. You snipe them, snipe them. Don't go down, guys. Ah, I only need range to snipe them. I only need range to snipe them.
Okay, wait.
Nice.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Okay, they're on A2. Let them, let them, let them, let them. You just snipe them, you just snipe them.
They going A2 again.
Heal your party members, heal your low party members, okay?
Behind, no? And no, not yet.
Regrouping A2.
I fell, I fell. No, 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 I'm here, I'm here.
No enemies.
Okay. You stop going A4. Stop going A4. Stop going A4. You move here back on A. Move here back on 1. Move here back on 1 and 4. Move here back on 1 and 4. Let them fight, let them fight, let them fight. Let's practice our defensives and everything. Stop going A4, guys. Stop going A4. Let them go up, let them go up, let them go up.
They holding.
See, it's really strength in numbers. So let them go up so they can fight us.
Okay, 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 okay.
Once they go A3, you're gonna bomb them, okay? They're coming A3. Let them go. Let them go A4.
They
Now you spread.
coming.
Now you spread. Now you spread. 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 You brawl. You brawl and spread. You brawl and spread. Hit that shit. Hit that shit on A4. Hit that shit on A4. Hit that shit on A4. Hit them. Kill them all. Kill them all. Kill them all. Run them over. Nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Nice, 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 nice. That was good.
Can you snipe here? Ranges, I need you to go here.
Sir.
Go where? 5?
From where?
Are they still holding in Bonstone?
Okay. I already have backups behind, so it's okay.
Sorry,
Someone
sorry.
guard
Do we
me.
swipe? Do we snipe from 5?
Yeah, try to snipe. Try to snipe. That's good. That's good. The Kalut you.
They going for on B3.
Come up A4. Come up A4. This guy is their teammate, right? This Tung. They're checking.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Come here, come here, come here for. Come here for.
They are regrouping at B3.
Come here for. Come here for. Let them in, let them in. This is their main target, the Moonstone.
They're here. B3. Holding.
Just push in.
Okay.
They coming?
Okay.
Ah.
Back to, back to. You spread, you spread, you spread. You spread on the edges. You spread here on the edges. Okay. Nice. Okay. Give them a pattern. Are they coming pa lang?
Still holding. They buff now. They coming, they coming.
Come back, come back. I didn't say you pop your
Kalo comes,
defensive.
Kalo
Ah.
comes.
I didn't say you pop your defensive. Defensive will be late now. Defensive will be late. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Inch upon me, inch upon me. Inch upon me, inch upon me, inch upon me, inch upon me. We're gonna bait them, we're gonna bait them. We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go in. Come inside them, come inside them. Tornado flash wave, tornado flash wave, tornado flash wave, tornado flash wave. Get this backline. Get this backline. Nice. Good job. Good cleanup. Good cleanup. Good cleanup.
Oh, good.
How many are they? 3 parties only. Huh?
Yeah, 3 party only. They going back to B3 again.
If you're dead, you can go C. If you're dead, you can go C, okay? If they're not on A, you can go A.
25 people daw. 4 party. Ay, 3. Yeah. They holding B3 again.
It's okay, guys.
Fire.
Guys. On this one, we're gonna let them inside of us, okay? We're gonna let them inside of us. Let's see
Copy.
how our defensive works, okay? Okay, guys?
Copy,
Yeah,
copy.
copy, copy.
Let them in, let them in.
Fire.
We're not gonna go tornado. Let's see how our brawling has improved, if it's improved already.
Fire.
Calm down, calm down. They're going, they're going. They will go, they will go. We will soak their flash waves,
They're
okay?
coming, they're coming.
Yeah. We will soak their flash wave, okay? Come. Let them hit you, let them hit you, let them hit you. Now. Defensive now. Defensive now. I need your defensive now. Defensive now. Defensive. Now we're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go inside them. Brawl them. Brawl only. Brawl. Fight them. Your skills, other skills, not flash wave, not tornado. You brawl them. Check your skills. They didn't prove. Nice. Heal your party. Kill that guy. How's the damage? Did they get you low?
Hindi.
Still B3. Okay.
They're going B1.
B1. Okay.
B3 again.
Idol, can we try sleep bomb then crossbow?
Okay. Sleepers, I need you on the front. Sleepers meaning sleepers like Templars and dagger sleep. I need you on front. I need you on front. Inch up on me. DPS inch up on me. Inch up on one. Spread on one. Spread on one. I need sleepers on four. I need sleepers on four. Come back here. Come back here, JD. Come back here. Come back here. You're four only. Four only. It's not. It's B4, not four. Come on. Okay. Ready. Move.
They're still waiting for Johnny.
Guys. Check sun, guys, check sun.
Imo
I need
back!
sleepers inch up. Sleepers to inch up. I need sleepers to inch up. Go. Before. Sleepers.
Sleepers only, ah.
Sleepers. DPS come forward. DPS come forward. Sleep now. I need sleep now. Sleep. Big sleep. Now you hit flash wave. You wipe this down. Wipe them. Nice. Good job. Kill that Bambi. Heal and stabilize. Keep healing. Heal your party. Keep healing. I see low people here. Keep healing. Okay, someone from C3. Kill the stragglers. Kamusta, B-boy?
Okay.
Going B3 again.
Okay, I need the three stuff that I assigned. Can you try to ice bomb? I see someone coming here always. The tank. What's his name? Can you ice bomb that tank? Okay.
Okay.
Do you know
Just
the name?
Popuri? What's the name?
Easy and Zildred, though.
Easy and silver. Okay. That's your task stuff that have ice bomb.
Yep.
Okay.
They holding B3.
Okay.
Zildred, right?
Children and easy. It's okay. Let them come in before since it's busy.
Miyamoto is also tank, I think.
Yes. Just check for the tanks. Try to ice bomb them. Um,
Someone going in V.
Sleepers on front. Here. On sides. Sleepers on sides.
Inchap sila, inchap.
Okay. Let them each up.
Someone. Oh, never mind.
Let them each up. They're coming. Mag-FK.
Okay.
Calm down.
They coming.
You hold. Spread and roll. Ice this guy. Lucifer. Nice ice.
Big sleep down.
Big sleepers going. Run this down. Wipe them. Now you kill the guys who sleep already. You kill the guys who are asleep.
Lugi sa number.
Hmm.
Did it work? The ice tombing.
Yes.
How many seconds? Mga 5?
Even with the person trying to cap earlier in the Boonstone, I tried to ice it. It worked.
They coming B3
What's the
again.
cooldown for that?
Cooldown is 28 seconds.
Okay.
I need Shada, Lakri, and B-Boys party to go B4. Shada, Lakri, B-Boy party. Go to B4. Yeah. All other guys go to the Boomstone. You try to fight them. You try to fight them. 3 parties, okay?
Copy.
You try to fight them.
Come here, Lone and Phantasm.
Lone Phantasm, Lone Phantasm. Try to fight them. Try to fight them. It's
Puri is at Eva A4.
come in.
Tudor, go front.
Eben,
All
kill
other
that-
tanks.
all other guys here on Boonstone, kill that guy. Nice. Good luck guys. Good luck Shada and Team. You try to fight them.
They coming.
Okay.
They coming.
Come back. Sleepers. I need sleepers from your team. Sleepers from your team.
Go.
Now you tornado. Let them go. Only their team.
Slip.
Let them go. Flash wave. Roll them. All the guys that passed through them, we're gonna kill them. All the guys that passed through them, kill them. All the guys passed through them, kill them. Nice. Kill your party.
Good job.
Okay, now I need for their last push. Who's the other party that were not from Shada, Lakri, and what you call this? B-Boy, come here.
All the remaining parties come before.
Mepis party, Lily party, and Sekes party. You
Parties
fight,
that weren't called before come before. Thank you.
And my party go to them.
They coming B3 again.
Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. We can't do that on other teams, guys. Don't disrespect them. So we're giving them a handicap. So they'll be fighting 3 parties at a time. Okay?
Copy.
Kill this Lucifer. Are they inching?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not all party.
Come back. Bait them on 4. You spread on 4. Do you have any sleepers? I see sleepers on Boss Ren and
Oh, it's
GG.
done. It's done.
It's done.
Well played.
GG. Just say GG, not rush.